Welcome to our guide on how to enable sleep mode on Facebook. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's essential to manage our screen time and maintain a healthy balance between our online and offline lives. Facebook's sleep mode feature is a great tool to help you do just that. Let's walk through the steps to activate this useful function. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the bottom right corner for iOS devices or the top right for Android. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, you'll see various categories. Under the Preferences section, look for Your Time on Facebook and tap on it. This section provides insights into your Facebook usage and offers tools to manage your time on the platform. Now tap on Manage Your Time and select Sleep Mode from the options presented. This is where you can customize your Facebook downtime. To activate sleep mode, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once enabled, you'll be prompted to set up your sleep schedule. Fill in the details for when you want Facebook to be inaccessible. You can set different times for weekdays and weekends, allowing for flexibility in your routine. Choose start and end times that align with your sleep schedule or when you want to focus on other activities. After you've entered your preferred times, don't forget to save your settings. Facebook will now automatically limit your access to the app during the specified hours, helping you disconnect and recharge. Remember, you can always adjust these settings as needed. Sleep mode is a powerful tool for digital well-being, allowing you to enjoy Facebook while maintaining a healthy balance in your life. Give it a try and see how it can improve your daily routine.